I don't have any specific reaction to what the Congress and its leadership has been saying in the last few days. I've been reading the papers, but I can say one thing for sure, that in my political career till now, and I would think in a lot of other senior leaders who have been in politics, I don't think we have ever seen so much of desperation from an opposition party. And the desperation level has gone to the point where personal attacks are being made, angry words are being used, which we really don't expect from senior people and people at that stature. So it's quite sad, I should say, to see the kind of extreme sense of desperation that is prevailing right now in the leadership in the Congress, in the state. I was in fact very amused about a few days back. I don't want to take names. A few days back, there were some MLAs from the Congress who had called me, almost apologizing and saying that we are quite ashamed to see the kind of language being used by the leadership and the behavior that is there. So that speaks a lot about how things are within the Congress itself. And as I said, I have no comments on the kind of situations and comments that they're making. And they have been trying this for so long, so many times. The coalition partners have been approached, and every time the coalition partners have repeatedly told them that this government will continue, we'll continue to support. Then again, they come out with a different statement after 2 weeks that we are now trying to do this. So as I said, it just seems that their focus is not about development of the people and the issues of the people, but their focus is more on toppling and more on how they will come back to power. So it's not really healthy for the system. I think we should focus on the issues. We should have constructive discussion. There are challenges we face as a government. We are not here to say that we know or we have all the answers to everything. We never can. Situations are very complicated, and it requires everybody to work together. So as a